Hi, I'm Bonnie. I'm 20 years old and I'm the founder of Indigo Iris. Indigo Iris is an ethical makeup company, but we use 100% of our profits to cure treatable blindness. So when I was in my first year of university, one of my best girlfriends moved to Vanuatu in the Pacific Islands. So I spent a few weeks over there with her visiting. When you spend time with people there, the joy that they have and the beauty and the simple living and how everything is kind of slow and intentional was really inspiring. And then when I came back from Vanuatu, I worked on New Zealand Fashion Week, and so the contrast of those two experiences, being in the islands and then being in this really fast-paced fashion industry, kind of gave me this platform to come up with the idea for Indigo Iris. Throughout the islands, 4 out of 5 people who are blind don't need to be, so their condition is completely curable. When you really think about that, that's pretty crazy, especially because there is an estimated 80,000 Pacific Islanders who have treatable blindness. Generally, it's a $25 surgery. The Fred Hollows Foundation, who we have partnered with, they have been working in the islands for a really long time, and I love their model. I absolutely love it. They identify Pacific Islanders who have gone for university, and then they train to be specialists in eye healthcare, and then they're the ones that do the surgeries. So they know their people, they know the culture, and they stay for aftercare too. I chose makeup as the path for Indigo Iris for 2 reasons. The main being that it's an incredibly creative industry. Makeup is a form of art and it's different all over the world. The second reason is because it's a multi-billion-dollar industry that continues to grow every year. So there's definitely potential within that industry to create some amazing change and to get really creative with how the industry operates. At the moment we're focusing on our launch, so all of our team are really focused and working on our first product, which is a mascara, and that will be launching in probably around 12 months. So we're starting with mascara because of the beautiful connection with eyesight and applying mascara. So I think it's just really powerful, like you're putting on your mascara and you can really clearly feel that you're a part of something that has given someone's sight. But in the future we definitely will have a full makeup range. I come from North Canterbury, that's where I was raised, in Oxford. So yeah, I grew up there, went to a really small high school, and then I studied in Auckland. Lived right on Queen Street, so that was a big contrast to where I grew up in. But then moving to Wellington was like a beautiful medium between a big bustling city and the quiet solitude of the mountains next to where I grew up. I've always been incredibly inspired by my mum, and she works harder than anyone that I've ever met. We were taught to be focused on what we can be grateful for instead of focusing on maybe what's holding us back. And that's really important in a startup, is to not be held back by your lack of funding or the things that you don't have that maybe other companies or brands that in the same industry do have, but instead focus on the things that you can bring. And I suppose with a startup, that's being really quick and being able to pivot and being really creative. I'm so proud of the people that I'm surrounded with, and I'm just being guided and supported, and it's all working out because of the scary decision to actually step out of what's safe and do kind of what's right.